are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you doing, boys and girls? How are you doing today? I hope you're all doing fine. I am doing good. My name is Miss Irene, and today I have more sounds with me. And today I have sound Z, sound Q, and sound T. I hope you're all seated and ready to learn. Sound Q, sound Q, sound T, sound T, sound Z, sound Z, sound T. Can you all say T? Again, T, again, T. Sound Z. Can you all say Z? Again, Z. Sound Q. Can you all say Q? Again, Q. Sound Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zeal. Sound T for tall. T for tasty. T for tap. Sound Q for queen. Q for quiet. Q for quit. Can you show me sound T? Yes, sound T. Good. Can you show me sound Z? Sound Z. Good. Can you show me sound Q? Sound Q. Good. Sound Z. Sound Q. Sound T. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We are going to learn more sounds in the next lesson. You can ask your parents or your guardians to help you with more words for the sounds that we have learned. Until next time, bye bye.